Welcome to PreyoPhonie, where smart tech solutions become simple and fast. Forgot your Gmail password and can't access your account? In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your Gmail password and recover access safely. Step 1. Open Gmail login page. Go to Gmail using your browser or app. Start the sign-in process by entering your Gmail email address. Step 2. Tap Forgot Password. When the password screen appears, click Forgot Password below the box. This opens Google's official account recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Google will send a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Use the recovery option you still have access to for faster verification. Step 4. Check recovery email or SMS. Open your recovery inbox or messages and locate the 6-digit verification code. Make sure to copy the code exactly as shown without mistakes. Before we continue, hit subscribe and unlock more powerful security and account recovery tips with PreyoPhonie. Step 5. Enter verification code. Return to the Gmail recovery page and type the code carefully. Then tap Next or Verify to continue the reset process. Step 6. Create a strong new password. Enter a brand new password with uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A stronger password keeps your Google account safer from hackers. Step 7. Confirm the password type. The same password again in the second box to confirm it. Make sure both passwords match perfectly before proceeding. Step 8. Save new password. Tap Save Password or Change Password to finalize the update. Your Gmail password will instantly be changed across all Google services. Step 9. Sign back into Gmail. Use your new password to log back into Gmail successfully. This password will also work for YouTube, Google Drive, and other Google apps. Step 10. Store password safely. Save your password in a trusted password manager or secure location. This helps prevent future login issues and keeps your account protected. And that's it, your Gmail account is fully recovered, so subscribe now for more easy and professional tech tutorials every day.